My name's Sarita and I'm speaking to you today from Soulhenge, and I'm here to help you understand the truth about who you are. And one of the best ways to understand who you are as a vibrational being is to work with meditation. And the meditation that I'd like to share with you today is something called Tibetan heart meditation, and it works using the heart center and the frequency of gratitude. And gratitude's an extraordinary frequency because it's a frequency of receivership. And when you come into present moment using heart-centered awareness and you're feeling gratitude, you literally call into your vibrational reality more things to be grateful for, because you are a being that is emitting a frequency out into the unified field. And the universal law is that what has to be sent to you, what manifests into your reality, must be a vibrational match to what you are emitting, because you are an electromagnetic being. So that's one of the best reasons for using gratitude in a meditation. Now, the other reason that I use this meditation is it's extraordinary. This has been proved in laboratories. If you do this meditation for 3 minutes a day, it literally boosts your immune system for 12 hours. It regulates all your hormones. So, for example, if you have too much cortisol or adrenaline in your body, which is bad for you, it would bring those down. Or if you had not enough thyroxine, it would elevate your thyroxine levels. It brings you into harmony, homeostasis within your physical being. The other thing it does is what they did was they took a load of Tibetan monks and they put them in laboratory conditions and they measured everything, their blood, their brains, their genetics, everything, while they were doing this meditation. And what they discovered is when you use your heart brain to think and feel, you actually bring your heart and your head brain into coherency, and all of the sort of lights in your brain all light up, and your left and right side of the brain start talking to each other, and you go into this coherence, which is why your immune system is boosted. So 3 minutes of this meditation boosts you for 12 hours. And the other extraordinary thing about it is it regrows the telomeres on the end of your gene code. Now, what telomeres are is they're little socks that sit on the end of your genes. And every day as we go through our stressful lives, these disintegrate. And when they're gone, you die. Basically, when they're gone, it's genetic death and you're dead as a human. But what they discovered was if you do Tibetan heart meditation, you regrow the telomeres on the end of your gene codes. So basically, we are talking about the elixir of life here. This meditation actually makes you younger, and I have to say it makes you feel younger. And I have taught this meditation, which is incredibly powerful, to so many of my students, and they have used it to manifest extraordinary things into their lives. They've used it to heal relationships, and I have even had people who have cured themselves of irreversible diseases and long-term illnesses using this meditation. And I promise you, if you do this meditation every single day for 3 minutes, you will notice a massive change in your life within about 3 or 4 days. So, without further ado, I'm going to take you through the meditation. And what I'm going to do, I'll just describe it briefly, is I'm going to ask you to drop from your head-centered awareness down into your heart center. And the Heart Math Institute have just discovered your brain is made of neurites, and they've just discovered that you have more neurites in your heart center, so it's a bigger brain. Okay, so you've actually got a brain with memory in here, so that's behind your sternum. So you're going to drop your awareness into your heart center, and then you're going to begin to imagine that you are breathing through your heart forwards and backwards. And when I do this, I imagine it's in the figure of 8 with a knot at my heart. But you might just feel the breath, or you might see light as you're breathing forwards and backwards through your heart. So you're going to do that. Once you've got that rhythm going, you're going to begin to call upon the emotion of gratitude, and you're going to feel that rise up in you. And if you need to, you can use an image to help you call gratitude, but keep it simple. Use an image like butterflies or bird song or a tree, because if you use something complicated like your children or your partner or something, you might go down a road and then your mind's going to wander off. So you can use a simple image if you need to call upon the emotion of gratitude, and then as soon as you can, you're going to drop that image, and you're just going to attach the raw felt sense of gratitude to the breath and breathe that through your heart. And you're going to do it for 3 minutes. And that's it. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to talk you through the meditation, and we're just going to do it for 1 minute so that you're guided through the meditation, and then that's something that you can take away with you and practice. So when you're ready, sitting up straight, I'd like you to take a breath in and out and close your eyes and just begin to notice your breath. You're not trying to change it in any way, just allowing the breath to bring you into your body. And now, I want you to make a conscious decision to drop your awareness from your head brain down into your heart center. So dropping your awareness and landing in that sacred center of your heart brain. And now, slowing your breath just a little, I want you to begin to breathe forwards and backwards through your heart. So finding your rhythm of breathing through your heart, slowing the breath and just breathing through your heart center. And once your rhythm is established, I want you to begin to call upon the emotion of gratitude. Just feeling that emotion arising in you, filling you. And if you need a little picture in your mind to help you call it up, then to do that. But as soon as you have that raw felt sense of the emotion of gratitude, allow that image to dissolve away. And as that emotion of gratitude rises up in you, I want you to begin to attach it to the breath and breathe it through your heart. So you're using your breath, your will, and your imagination to breathe gratitude through your heart, forwards and backwards. And we're just going to do this for 1 minute together. If your mind wanders in any way, just gently noticing without judgment and bringing yourself back to the task in hand. Breathing gratitude through your heart. And when you're ready, finding a natural pause, coming back into the room and opening your eyes. So there you have it, Tibetan heart meditation. And I really encourage you to do this every day for 3 minutes, and your life will unfold into such beauty, such presence, and such gratitude. Thank you for listening.